What's up, everybody?
Long time no see.
Yeah. So,
We've been busy over here.
my hair looks all okay.
Wish you have hair. I mean,
Well, yeah. So I got a new job.
me too. What?
We no longer live where we lived.
We moved to the beach. To the beach.
Literally 4.5 hours away from where we used to live. And now we're here. And we've been here since June 30th. It is now September 2nd. So here we are in a new place in my neck. Oh, oh jeez. Yeah. We live in a new place, new jobs. We'll have to show you some things.
Do everything.
Yeah, but this is the start of that. So here we are.
Yeah.
The initial getting back to vlogging. 2020 has been not a good year. So we will talk to y'all more later.
Yep.
Okay, bye. What's up, y'all? So I thought I'd show y'all our apartment, even though it's very empty right now because we had to move everything because if you look here where we got this sticker, there's a hole in the floor. And that wasn't the first one. Over here in the kitchen, we had several holes over here by the dishwasher and the sink, and then right here down the middle, and now we have another one really bad right here in the floor. It's really bad, just all the way. So they're supposed to be coming to fix said holes in the floor, and so we moved all our stuff out of here so it won't get jacked up. But this is our apartment. It's a 2-bedroom. All our junk's in here. 2-bathroom there. Yeah. So we picked up and moved. Make sure Jonathan ain't naked in here. Picked up and moved. 4.5 hours away from where we grew up. It's our little patio. So yeah, this is our apartment. We moved further south, Alabama. Literally, we live on an island. And we've been here since June 30th. So today is Labor Day, and we plan on going to Spirit Halloween. So we'll see y'all at Spirit. Okay, bye. Did we mention that we moved to the beach? We live on an island, for real. Like, legit an island. And there's the ocean, even though we're in Florida. Oh, excuse me, Alabama. We're almost in Florida. But, yeah. So that Spirit we did not film in. It was not very... It was all costumes, just about. Not a whole lot of props and stuff. We did get one thing. And oh, did we tell y'all? We're not going to Universal because, you know, obviously, they canceled Halloween Horror Nights. And we were so excited. And then seeing all the themes and stuff for Halloween Horror Nights this year, it makes us even more sad. But we did get this, the handbook for the recently deceased notebook or journal. It has a pen that says never trust the living on the top. So, okay, now we're gonna go try to get some pumpkin spice something. Even though it's 90 degrees and does not feel like fall. Okay, bye. Well, hello y'all. So, we are about to experience our first hurricane. Potentially a category 2. We just went to the store and bought a bunch of stuff. Now we're headed home and we're gonna get prepared for this storm. So y'all say some prayers for us, even though this probably won't go up for a while. Seeing how I've been just vlogging and not uploading, and then our power's probably gonna go out. So anyways, we'll talk to y'all later. Doing our own weather report because the Weather Channel doesn't want to talk about Orange Beach. So here we are walking down the road behind our house to the bay to see how bad it is. So yeah, bye. There is the bay. This used to be a road that took you to the bay. Now the bay is here.
Crazy.
It's just a lot of wind and rain, but the bay is definitely swelled up. Let's see if you can see that. At some of the damage. The fence is down. Shingles. Some broken trees. That's a broken tree. Let me see. Let me shine my light. Nope, wrong way. Broken tree. Fence is down. We're without power. That whole fence is leaning really hard. the back gate of our apartment. It is receded this much, but it's like we're standing over there where it normally is. It's about waist deep, I'd say.
Yeah, right.
But it's insane just to see. And then, you know, the random boat that showed up, but it's all the way. I mean, that's a speed limit sign, and you know how tall those are. So so it's what, day 4, no power.
Yeah.
My very good friend Sarah brought us pizza and donuts yesterday. It was so awesome. We're so thankful for that. My phone is close to death, so gotta charge it again today. It's interesting. We're gonna run out of data before we, because our data just started over. Too. We got till the next month, so it's gonna be rough. My eyes are very blue. Interesting. Anyway, so yeah, John has got to go to work, and I'm going with him. We did go help. Thursday we went to the community center and helped people. And I went yesterday for a little bit, and then he came and got me. It was a lot. Oh, I got a chemical burn on my hand. See my chemical burn? I said that. So yeah, we're gonna go now. Okay, bye. We finally got power last night. Oh my gosh, we were all out screaming and hollering and thanking the linemen and the power companies that came down to help. A neighbor of ours came outside with a pot and a spoon and was rattling it, screaming. It was great. So now we have power. We can actually put this vlog up at some point. We've got schoolwork to catch up on. And our town is still just messed up. But we'll talk to y'all later.